Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how you might open the command console in the Elder Scrolls 3 Morrowind. It may not be a solution, but we can address the problem in which Bluetooth or other devices interfere with your keyboard's tilde key, which disables your ability to open the command console while you're in the game. The way to do that would be to install Morrowind Graphics Extender XE. It is different from the other version, which does not have XE. It is older and not as useful as this newer version. So once you download that, you'll want to install it to your Morrowind install directory. With Steam, that'll be in your Steam Apps common folder. And once you have that in there, you will want to open the graphic user interface and onto your key remapper. And you can see the F3 key is marked in blue, which means it's being used. That's because I clicked it, because it's the option I would use, and then press the tilde key, which is marked in red. And that's how you would remap it for the game. And then from there, you close the window, and then close the graphical user interface. And then once you're in the game, you should be able to press F3 and have the console command open for you. And that's all. See you later.